Alright, this is a quick little review of the Fancywing LED turn signal backpack that I bought on Amazon in June of 2019. I have fallen while wearing this. That's what these little marks are for, so this is actually torn up. But all my body weight went on this and it slid on the concrete and it still works great. So it attaches to your backpack. It's just got some alligator clips that are loose when bent, and then as you put them straight, they clip on and tied down. Works really well. This is the clicker that comes with it. I just have it on my wrist guard, or sometimes I put a rubber band on the back of it or wrapped around my finger so I can just push the buttons in one hand, but for the most part I just wear it on there and then I use my other hand to push the button. It's a little cumbersome at first, but I'm used to it. As long as I don't have anything in my other hand, then I'm fine. But sometimes I have it just looped around my finger like that, and it's really easy to push buttons. Now to do a little demo. So there's a button in the back that you just turn on. So now it's in idle mode. And this is the front. It's extremely bright, but if you can't tell, that's an arrow. It's the right arrow, left arrow, stop signal, and then you have to hold on this middle button to go back to there. And if you push this once, it becomes a little light. So that's my review of this. It is really bright, as the video cannot show. And then it's got a little reflective strip, but not enough. It's got a USB charging cable in the back. There's that power button. Just zip this back and then pull out the USB charging cable. I've had this since June and I've charged it 3 times and I use it every day. It's got a really good battery. So that's it. I'll post a link to Amazon in the description below, and you've probably seen this in some of my other videos as well, but I figured I should do a dedicated video to it because people have asked about it and I have yet to make one. So that's it.